Hello everyone, and welcome back to Gas Masks in Media, a short series where I will be identifying and telling you the brief history of gas masks and respirators used in TV shows, movies, and video games, and perhaps other iterations of media in the future. In today's episode, we'll be looking at Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, a frankly brilliant movie of no real point. Now, I've watched it and read the book, and I still can't quite tell what it is. I suppose it is what it says on the blurb. A savage journey to the heart of the American dream, and with a lot of drugs and violence along the way. Naturally, there are spoilers ahead for the movie, but it's a hard movie to spoil. I managed to find 3 different gas mask models throughout Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, the first of which appearing when Raoul Duke appears at the hotel later in the movie, the rather nicer one, only to find that there is in fact a police convention being held there. We can see as he passes by a group of policemen sat at a table displaying their equipment that one of them appears to be holding a mask I can't properly identify, however it is one of the 3. It'll either be a Draeger Simplex, which was made by Germany, it was industrial if I remember correctly, a Israeli Model 4, which was an upgrade of that, and of course used by Israel, not Germany, and then the Shalon 4A1, again also used by Israel. The second gas mask scene in it is later on in the movie, after Raoul Duke has a particularly intense trip on what was, if memory serves correctly, adrenochrome, was it? I forget. He has a major trip in the hotel room and he wakes up and it is absolutely trashed, and he has waders on and a alligator tail. What we can see as he emerges from the room, hanging there, is a Soviet teenager's mask, part of the PDF Children's Mask series. This particular model is the size 5 and it differs entirely visually based off the others and looks more closely akin to the GP4. This variant is called the DP6 and of course only comes in size 5 and grey. The next mask we can see is as he moves through the rooms we can see an upturned GP5 or SHM62U. The most common gas mask in the world of over 100 million models made for the civilian populace of the Soviet Union. These are made in case of an attack. Now, given the setting of the movie, it's not unlikely that these would appear, but of course it is questionable as to how he would have gotten his hands on 2 different models quite so quickly, given that these would have been in use at the time when the movie is set. Of course, the movie itself was filmed quite a few years after, when these would be very easily obtainable as surplus. Anyway, that covers Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas and the 3rd episode of Gas Masks in Media. And thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next episode. Hopefully I won't stumble on my words as much, but it is a much more interesting episode and I'm looking forward to it. Thank you all.